Hey, welcome to Cooking with RangerRob. Grab your aprons and let's get started, guys. Before we get started, please take the time to subscribe, then click on the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.
Hi guys, I'm Rob.
I'm Sherry.
And today's a wonderful Sunday afternoon, and we decided that it's time for us to make a foo-foo drink. So, Sherry and I don't usually make drinks that often, so we're going to start. It's going to be a new hobby. So today we're going to make what?
Pina Colada.
Pina Coladas. So we've got all of our ingredients. We're going to show you how we make it and what measurements we used, and we're ready to get started. So some of the things we did buy is, what did we need to buy in the first place?
So the recipe that we're using calls for white rum. So we got our white rum, and it's going to consist of 2 ounces of that, cream of coconut, which we'll use 1 ounce of that, a heavy cream, we will use 1 ounce of that, and pineapple juice, 6 ounces of that, and they're already in a 6 ounce can, and of course ice and a blender.
Alright, so I'm going to measure, she's going to tell me what to measure out, and we're going to put it in our, this is a accessory to our blender, which in turn connects to our little guy here, and we can actually make the drink right here. So we don't have to use a big blender, so that's kind of fun. So what's the first thing we need?
So 2 ounces of our white rum.
Alright. 2 ounces. So we also bought a brand new measuring device here, and thought it'd be a little bit easier to measure out our liquids here. So we got 2 ounces of Captain Morgan white rum.
We'll need 2 ounces of the cream of coconut.
Coconut. Just been shaken up.
I have shaken it up. You want to make sure and shake that up.
Alright, so 2 ounces?
1 ounce.
Oh, 1 ounce. Glad I asked. 1 ounce. Now this stuff's kind of thick, so it's kind of hard to measure out, but 1 ounce of coconut.
Coconut, and we are going to use 1 ounce of the heavy cream as well.
Yeah, so you can also make this drink with just the coconut, but we're trying a new recipe where it's half the coconut and more, and then half
heavy cream
to see if we can get a little bit more creamier pina colada. So the next thing is 1 ounce.
1 ounce of that.
Of this?
Yep.
So this is 1 ounce of the
heavy cream. And I'm going to put in 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Go ahead.
Alright.
And 6 ounces of pineapple juice.
Alrighty.
And then to that we're going to add some ice. And then we're going to blend it up real good.
So we have a bag of ice off to the side here that we've been keeping for our drinks.
Putting it in our sink here.
We found we just need to stuff as much ice as you possibly can in this thing.
We like it a lot. Real frothy.
Yeah, so then you're guaranteed a good brain freeze when you drink it. Alrighty.
Make sure everything's sealed tight.
Set to go.
Here we go. Let's move that out of the way.
I better close the lid on.
Okay, because this will jump a little bit. Ready?
Go for it. Alrighty. Let me just test it. Check to make sure it's nice and frothy. Oh yeah. Let's let it rip. It's important not to let your partner have more than you.
And we're going to top this up with 2 cherries.
Yeah. Super.
And there you have it.
Cheers.
Sure.
Sip. Oh god. Good stuff.
I like it better. It's not as sweet.
Yeah, because the other way of making it actually comes out a little sweeter if you use a lot of that coconut extract here, or whatever they call this. So anyway, good to know. These are not so sweet. They taste awesome. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over. Then go down to the description and think about becoming a member of our Patreon. This will allow you to get special content just for you and help us build future content. Thank you.